Then another guideline, number 6, is in relation to accountability. Foster a culture of accountability. Foster a culture of accountability. Foster a culture of accountability by having clear responsibility. The responsibilities should be clear. Clear responsibilities. What do we mean by clear responsibilities? By that we mean that you have to assign clear responsibility for achieving strategic goals and meeting performance standards at different levels of the organization. That can foster a culture of accountability. It should be known who is responsible for what task. It has to be very clear. Then you may also have, if you want to achieve accountability, you can have performance-based rewards. Performance-based rewards. Now that it is known who is responsible for what, it's possible to have performance-based rewards. Link performance to a reward system so that you can incentivize the achievement of strategic objectives. Another way to foster a culture of accountability, number 3, is to have open communication. Open communication. Open communication means encouraging open and honest communication about performance, both the successes and also the shortcomings. This is guideline number 6.